Hey, I'm Ron with RYKER USA, the inventor of the RYKER Grip, and I'm here to talk to you guys about our accessories, but more importantly on how to mount them. So I've got one of my demo rifles right here, and what you already see on here is a short post mLok mount. So we're going to focus on installing the mLok mount first and then talk about the different mounting options. Our mLok mount comes in a short post and a long post option. The long post is for people with larger hands or that just want a little bit more space in between the inside of the grip and the handguard. You'll also notice on the mLok mount, the RYKER logo is only on one side. This is done specific to identify on the placement of the mLok mount on your rail. The RYKER logo must always be up, so it doesn't matter if it's for a left or right-handed shooter. As long as this is up, it will interlock with the RYKER grip, and the reason is it's a castle nut system. These slots are all different sizes. It only goes on one way. We like to say it's marine proof. If you get it on another way, send us a picture because that will be interesting. I already have the short post mounted on the rifle here. I'm going to show you guys how to install the long post right up in front of it, and then what we're eventually going to do is put 3 different grips on here so you can see the standoff and give yourself a better idea of what mounting option you would like to use when you're running the RYKER method of shooting. The mLok mount have your standard T-nuts on the back here. You have this little raised oval which locks into the rail to prevent the mLok mount and the grip from sliding back and forth. You also notice right here inside is the nut is pressed in there. Every once in a while, if you take it on and off, your grip on and off a lot, this nut might start to adjust inside there. If it starts spinning and you're not getting it thread, one of the little tricks that we have done is we will stick a thin, smaller flathead screwdriver in there and pin it, and then just crank it down just enough to stop it from spinning so it'll bite, and then you're good to go. Okay, so with the help of my fix-it sticks, I am going to go ahead and install the long post mLok mount. RYKER logo is facing up towards the top. Go ahead and start to get these T-nuts locked in. A little bit of tension there, and all right. Now, you can see we have the long post and the short post. The RYKER grip comes with a traditional Picatinny mounting style bracket. It has 2 vertical set screws that will lock it into the pick rail, and it also has 1 horizontal set screw. To change this from right-handed shooter to left-handed shooter, you just remove this horizontal set screw, put the mount on the other side, flip the grip around, replace that horizontal set screw, tighten it down, and you're in business. It comes set out of the packaging for a right-handed shooter. Now, if you're running a key mod rail or the traditional quad style Picatinny rail, this is going to be your option. I'm going to use this Connect quick release mLok mount. I'm going to slide the Picatinny mounting bracket on here. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down. Now you'll notice the Picatinny mount has a V look to it. As long as those angles are going down, that's how you want it. And again, that's going to set the castle nut system up so it serves you properly with no wobble. So this is on here nice and tight. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead, line this up so you guys can see. Here's your traditional Picatinny style mounting bracket. You can see the standoff. Here's your short post direct mLok and your long post direct mLok mount. The profile between the long post and the Picatinny mounting option on an mLok rail or KeyMod rail is very similar to their standoff. The short post just puts you a little bit closer profile to the rail. Now we're going to go ahead and mount the RYKER grip on our 3 mounting options so you can see the profile it presents for you. Line up your castle nut system. Return your horizontal set screw, start that threading. Fix it sticks are a priority. And we like to say is crank it down till there's no wobble. If you have wobble, just keep turning it. Turn it till the wobble's gone. It's how it's designed. Don't worry about over tightening it. If it breaks, contact us. We'll send you a new one, but we haven't had that happen yet. So you got your short post. What you have here is the 3 mounting options for the RYKER grip. We have our short post direct mLok mount, our long post direct mLok mount, and our traditional Picatinny mounting option. This works for KeyMod, traditional Picatinny rail. If you are also running an mLok, you just need a minimum 3-inch piece of Picatinny rail to use the traditional Picatinny mounting option. That was the install of all the mounting options that we offer from RYKER USA. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.